Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am gonna be installing, hopefully if I can, nothing. Install, what's his game? Slither.io back, because I really enjoyed making videos with that game. And I'm gonna be installing it back, so I am gonna be doing that right now, if I even can. Let's go with Slither.io. I think I can. So before I do that, I'm gonna be doing something. What just happened? Anyways, remember request card from your client. Epic Sunday, more cards available. Include Epic Sunday more. Oh no, my god. Whatever. So I'm gonna be playing Best Friends Forever. You guys really suggested this game. I have played it a lot. That's why I'm pretty good right now. I have a lot of things. But you guys will see that in a moment. And I also am gonna be charging my phone. And as you guys see up there, it has, well, it does have 10%. Pistons, hurry up. Let's see how much I get. 9 trillion. Not bad. Actually pretty good. I was about to fight a boss. I just want more money. As you guys see, I'm pretty sure. I don't know what else to upgrade since everything costs some trillion. This boss is the hardest, so I'm just gonna be. So I'm fighting the boss. Powers. I might beat him. Yes, I beat him. Which one should I choose? Left one. A lot. Got a lot of coins. I don't care. I really get coins real fast. That's all you do in this game. So beat the boss. I'm not gonna be doing anymore. That's all I wanted. And let's see if it's installed. Okay. Is it even installing? And you guys, happy Halloween. It's not Halloween yet, but it's on Monday for me this Monday. Oh, I do have it. And I am gonna enjoy this Halloween. I am going, I don't know, trick-or-treating. Because I'm a 12-year-old and I still do that. So what, guys? Leave a bad comment. Don't care. If you guys have seen the movie Star Wars, which you probably have or at least heard of it, I am going to be the bad guy, Darth Vader, or as you guys know if you've seen it, Obi-Wan Kenobi, no. Anakin Skywalker, but Darth Vader is the bad one, Anakin Skywalker is the good one. Now he isn't, which I don't care. So let's get going with Play Online. Oh my god, dude, oh my god, there's an update. I swear there's an update. I have not seen that update. of that skin. I'm gonna use that skin. That skin go hard right now. Change. Skins. Not that one. Like I knew there was an update, but I didn't know what was it. Dude, there it is. Dude, that's... Oh my god! Argentina! I'm Argentine! No, I'm not. They should make a Mexican one. That's mean. Oh, that's awesome. Wait, I didn't want over here. That blue look cool. I'm gonna use the black one though. That one, and let's play online. Me versus me. I do not know how to control this one. Lose. Can I lose? I want to lose, please. No, really. Like when I want to lose, I have. Just, oh my god, yes. I'm gonna be putting some songs in this video right ahead, but first let me change my setting mode to a classic mode. Play online. That's way better. See, I'm in the middle. That was just a quintessence. Quintessence. I don't know how to say that. Can I squeeze through? No, I can't. That's enough of that. I have BB Tan. It's a pretty fun game. But first, let me put my music up in here. And I did download it. A lot of new music. Guys, enjoyed the video. I just downloaded these, so it might start glitching a little. So yeah. If you guys did not catch the name of this game, it's called BB Tan. It's spelled with the BB and TAN, Tan. I don't know why, but it's a fun game. I really enjoy playing this game. And I have deleted them all. It's not it. There are a lot of more up here. I have 29 minutes to do whatever I want. Or lose. I lose this. If one of these gets to the bottom and touches the floor, I lose. Which I do not want that to happen yet. Okay, so we're gonna get to this. Oh, I'm good. There we go. That's cool how it came back. Oh my god, this is hard. If you guys are wondering in what I play in phone. I have a tablet, but I do not have a YouTube channel there. Only one of my, like 2 of my videos I have recorded with my tablet. And I did not like those videos, so thank you guys, yeah. After this round, I am going to be ending this video. It's not going to happen soon. Really? Okay. Oh my. It was actually not. Oh, that was actually a pretty good throw. I was not even meaning to do that throw, but. Yeah. Perfecto. Same thing over and over. Yeah. Oh, it tastes so good. Oh my gosh, no, I'm gonna lose. I'm deleting everything. That ball is just like, we're just gonna continue like this. I'm not kidding. Okay, there we go. That's awesome. Worst throw. That's actually a pretty good throw. Not mean to do that. And I'm sorry I have not made videos very often. It's just that I'm dealing through school. And I can't be doing that much videos while I'm in school. They don't even let me if they take my phone out. Thankfully, I have not got my phone taken out. Oh. No! Yeah, that's what I meant to happen. You guys see? Oh my god, I'm about to lose. I'm cooked, guys. Except that somehow I get extremely lucky, which I doubt it happened. So I am going to be under the video right here. As you guys see, that block touched the floor and I lost. And now I'm going to be putting some more songs. But thank you guys so much, and leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Technically what I do, if you guys are new, I just game any game you guys want me to play. So yeah.